there are things you can do to reduce stress and overwhelm. The first thing is because it all comes here, you do have to get rid of the dumpster fire, but it's essentially the dumpster fire that's within, right? You have to clean that up. But I have found for me that there is a direct connection to the order in my environment and the order in my mind. Whether or not you live in an RV or a camper or a hippie farm or a mansion, you can still be stressed or overwhelmed. What I have found that makes the difference is the amount of order in that environment. I don't care if it is a hippie farm or an RV or a mansion. If it's more organized and orderly, I feel less overwhelm and stress. And I think that this is true for more than just me, than if everything's in disorder. That's what makes more of a difference than the actual circumstances themselves. Like, I don't care if you live in a tent. If it's ordered and organized and you have systems and structure, you can feel more, well, you feel less stress and less overwhelmed than if it's in complete disarray. Same if it's in a big house or whatever, no matter your circumstances. So that is one of the very first things I always focus on, is bringing order and systems to my environment. That's why I have an entire course on family systems and charts, because that to me has always made the difference. I've traveled to 53 countries with 7 children, and having order, systems, and charts has made all of the difference. So whenever I want to reduce stress and overwhelm or prevent it in my life, I begin by bringing order to my environment. That's always my first step, which at the same time helps to bring order to my mind, because here's the truth. You can't order your environment until you learn to order it in your mind. Like, I can't come up with systems on how to make the house organized until I learn how to do that. I have to do it mentally first. So I have to go through the mental process of like, oh, well, this needs to go here, and this keeps getting in the way, and that keeps interrupting that. And whenever we try to do this, this happens. So let's fix that. Like, it's this entire process I have to go through mentally to bring that order, which brings order to my mind, which then, like, it gives you the ability and capability to manage and handle more things, and to problem solve, and to come up with solutions, and to like just to organize, right? Like that to me is the one thing that makes the biggest difference.